What is up, YouTube? Yuli, E30, or Leo, back here with another video. Today, you'll notice the 4Runner doesn't have a bumper, and there is one very simple explanation for that. I always told myself I wouldn't be a Lightbar guy. Well, I guess I'm a Lightbar guy. I bought this for my birthday for myself a couple months ago, and I've just been meaning to install it, just really haven't had the means to do so, and I finally figured, fuck it, I'm not doing anything, so let's do it. So it is I think this is a 22-inch Nightlight amber white combo. I will put the actual Amazon listing in the description. I bought this one because I really wanted amber for wintertime driving, and also because amber is cool. I really didn't want yellow because, I mean, the E30 had yellow high beams and they were awesome, don't get me wrong, but it kind of sucks for visibility. So this will be used as a auxiliary driving light for off-road use only. It's gonna go in the bumper and be mounted about yay high. So what I gotta do is I have to mock up where it's going to go exactly, and then I will have to fabricate some brackets, as this one didn't come with any. I bought this one specifically because it will eventually go into the bumper that I built for this thing. So a harness with a switch. Yeah, let's get to work. So it's literally just gonna go right here. So what I'll need to do is I'll just need to cut bumper up. I'm gonna try and not cut my leg off. I'm gonna just have to cut the rest of this out because it's not gonna work visually, but at least it's gonna bug the fuck out of me. All right, so did a little bit of trimming, a little bit of cutting. It's not the prettiest. I will take the time to sand down all these hard lines. I ended up just taking the entire section out because eventually with the bumper that I want to build, I'm gonna have to cut this, just cut straight down anyways. So it doesn't make sense to not rip it out now and have it look half-assed. So alright, so I spun this fat pig around. Doesn't look awful, all things considered. I mean, the crash bar is very visible now, but could be a hell of a lot worse. And then we can mark up where the brackets need to go. It's about 35 and a half, 35, 17 and a half. I'm kind of sort of an idiot and didn't really look into how this thing is supposed to be assembled. Come to find out, this bolt is just a stud, which makes a lot of sense. I'm just kind of an idiot. So, get a rough position, and then what we will do is cut some angle, a piece of flat, drill a hole in it. Yeah, we'll go from there. Pretty straightforward. Of 50 millimeters. Definitely not my best, but also not my worst. They look okay. They're definitely not perfect, but it is what it is. Let me put some gloves on so I can handle these. So what I'll do now is just kind of roughly mock it up. So I went ahead and I drilled out the holes for the brackets. The red lines are where I will mount the outer edge of the brackets. They're not gonna be perfect, but the good news is that the way this light bar mounts is that it slides on a rail, so I can center it even after these brackets are welded in. Fucking mint. Oh my god, are they ugly. But I'll grind them down, try and make the brackets look as good as I can. But yeah, that's probably as good as it's really gonna get. Let's do a bead on the fronts, and then I don't know why the fuck this is smoking, but yeah. I'll be back. I'm gonna get a new flap disc. Ugh. So let's mount this bitch. So here we have red, black, and yellow. Red, black, and yellow. Pretty self-explanatory. These are crimp-on spades. So these are already soldered, which is nice. I just have to... So now I gotta figure out how to tuck this up. I think the best way is to tuck it up in here. I need to order more of these anyways. Go track down some zip ties and I'll be right back. All right, I found some. So this is all slack. I'll just zip tie this off. All right, cool. Engine bay is all wired up. Let's now route the power cable, the actual switch. So right here is what I believe a 10 mil bolt. Yep. And that's holding the top of the fender in place. So removing that will allow me to just wiggle it just enough to feed the wire through. So I'll reinstall this bolt and then I will be right back. All right, so I got it all wired up. I routed it through the frame, out through the loom cover, into the fender. We'll have to clean this. Out under the dash, it's all connected up. I will zip tie this down or tuck it. Let's just do that right now. And yeah, from the bar up, around, over, this will all get covered when I reinstall. Where the hell did it go? That piece over there. But yeah, let's test this bit out. Yeah. 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 Awesome. Oh, that is so cool. Oh yeah. All right. I'm so happy I did this. Let me get everything back together and I will be right back and we can see what this looks like fully assembled. All right, it's not 100% together yet. I just haven't put bolts back in for the bumper, but Yeah, that's cool. I'm really happy with this. So I will reassemble the rest of this and then come back in a few hours when it's dark out and we can go drive around and see what it looks like in the dark. All right, I'm back. I have cameraman John with me.
Hola.
We are running back to the house because I need to get a tool for a friend, but it's also going to be our test drive with the Lightbar. Should I blind this motherfucker? Nah, that's not nice. We'll do it on Sorority Road. Oh, yeah, I can't do that one. Hold on. Be a semi-driver, dude. In another life. Alright, so the spread isn't amazing, but then again, I really can't see with these glasses on. I'm not overly happy about it, but it's also just my astigmatism is going crazy right now because I don't have my glasses on. They're my good glasses. But from what I can tell, the beam pattern is a little fucked. But, I mean, it's brighter. Right?
Definitely.
I'm fucking talking to you.
Yeah, no, there's a very noticeable difference.
Oh, but the good thing is that I don't need power for the Lightbar because it's not hooked up to anything. It's just fucking it's just hooked up to my battery. Here.
Yeah.
But yeah. Alright, gotta cycle through the flashing. But yeah. Yo! Alright. That's dope. Hold on, I gotta do the camera.
It's hard to see, but this is amber.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's pretty sick.
Holy time jump. It took me longer to edit this video than it did for me to purchase, receive, and install the Lightbar. So yeah, it's December now. That footage was filmed in, I think, October. So 4Runner's still here. It sucks to drive in the snow. We will fix that though. But yeah, I mean, if you enjoy this video and would like to see another, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.